Let that be a guide. Tandaan ninyo, pag bigay sa inyo na sa final presentation, hindi kami naghahanap ng bagong Regine, hindi kami naghahanap ng bagong Gary, dahil nandiyan pa si Gary, nandiyan pa si Regine, nandiyan pa si Jed, nandiyan pa si Lani. Okay? Nandiyan pa kung silang lahat. Kailangan hinahanap namin bagong star. So think and act like stars. Okay? So, si Lani at si Bugoy, throughout the time, nag-evolve na ng attack nila ng numbers. Okay? The others are getting there. Now, try to get there soonest. Siguro, isa rin nating concern ko na kay Van, even though, you know, Van is not here, that we have to address Van's choreography is so predictable na. He does the same thing over and over and over again.
And he wants to look down all the time.
Oo. Saka yung, ganun niya, yung please, no? Play, enjoy. Okay, enjoy.
The confidence is there from La Arnie to Bugoy. Nandun eh. Yung presence sa stage. They want to be the real performers. Yun eh. Because I wanna be a performer, andun na. Kapal na mukha ko, wala akong pakialam sa inyo. Ganun yun. So La Arnie and Bugoy got it. Yun ang kulang pa ng iba. Like you guys, kulang. Diba sabi ko, paglabas nyo, wala akong pakialam sa inyo, akong pinakamaganda, akong pinakamagaling, kaya ko kayong lahat, dapat ganun kayabang. Giselle is there, they're very tiny, di ba?
Oo.
Pagdating si Miguel, para ni Miguel.
Ang laki-laki kasing tao. Yung ba yung si Van?
Tingnan mo kamay mo, Chris. Ayaw mo itaas, ha? Oh? Parang may lock yung ano mo, kilikili.
Hindi, wala nakita.
Nakita mo yan, nag-a-adlib. Dapat yun, tinanggal mo na doon. Nagtago ka sa likod ng mga dancers.